level discussion to a user level discussion. Is what's on my mind. Have I got the gadget here? Right, thanks. As many of you know, I've been playing with some new software that works together with Lynrad. It is, in effect, a kind of a big brother to the WSJT program. It uses one of the WSJT signal protocols, JT65. It works together with a front-end package, which presently I'm using Lynrad. There's no reason in principle why I couldn't talk to some of the other systems just as well. So you obviously need some receiver hardware to convert your signal down to baseband, but it gives you a full, whatever the SDR receiver will give you. In my case, the particular hardware I have, it gives me 90 kilohertz of pattern. And in principle, although I've been using it primarily in 2 meters, it could be the IF for a microwave system and would be useful